Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to revise adjectives. Already done adjectives earlier. Now we are going to revise and we are going to do one or two exercises. What are adjectives? Words that describes persons, places, animals and things are called adjectives. Words that describes persons, places, animals and things are called adjectives. Now, for box, I have written small box, a small box. For food, you can write tasty food, you can write fresh food, you can write stale food. Stale means basa, fresh means taza. Tasty food, delicious food, fresh food or stale food. Stale food is basa, not good, okay, not fresh. A bright student. For student, I have written adjective bright. You can write dull also. You can write good also. A green leaf. Leaves are green, so I have written a green leaf. Okay. Now for pencils, I have written numbers because a is not written here. So I can write the numbers. If a is written here, then I cannot write the numbers with a. Okay. 4 pencils. Okay. 8 pencils, 10 pencils, any number you can write. Bottles, I have written red bottles, green bottles, black bottles. You can write any color. You can write number also. Bottles are the 2 bottles, 10 bottles, 5 bottles. You can write numbers also. Dash classroom. Now for classroom, I have written here big classroom. Okay, big classroom or small classroom. Okay. Now we are going to do exercise. This is exercise which you have to do in the copy. Now children, I am not filling the adjectives here. I will just help you, or I will tell the adjective what you can write here. You have to do on your own. So listen this video very carefully, or without video also you can fill. I know you know the adjectives very well. Okay. A dash house. You can write the size of the house. You can write the color of the house. So what would you like to write? I am writing here a red house. Or you can write big house, small house. Okay. A dash bag. So what would you like to write? A red house. Here a small bag. Okay. A dash frock. You can write a new frock. Okay. Old frock you cannot write because for old an should be here. An is not there. So you have to write only a new frock or pink frock. Okay. A dash hut. Now big you have already used. You can, or small you have already used. You can write here brown hut. Okay. Or here you can write a dash flower. You can write the color of the flower. Okay. Orange flower, yellow flower. Dash book. Book can be thick, book can be thin. So what would you like to write? A thin book or thick book? You can write any word here. Okay. So this is another exercise number 2 which you have to fill. Fill in the blanks with the given adjectives. The given adjectives are given in the box. Okay. Red color. Large. Large means very big. Lazy. Little. Heavy. Clever. Honest. Honest means imandar. Delicious. Tasty. Little. Small. Heavy. Bhari. Lazy. Dull. Large. Very big. Red is the color. The woman carries a dash bucket. For bucket, heavy is used here. Okay. If you will write red here, you may need this red word somewhere in the sentence. So it is better to write heavy here. The carries na. Carries means uthana. So heavy bucket the woman carries. The plant has dash flowers. Now find out what would you like to write. Large flowers, lazy flowers. Lazy is not appropriate. Little not appropriate. Heavy not already done. Clever is not appropriate. Honest, imandar not appropriate. Delicious flowers cannot be. It is not appropriate. Red is appropriate. The plant has red flowers. A dash crowd gathered near the school. Now red is done and heavy is done. So what you can do, you can cut these words. Cut these words with the pencil. A crowd gathered near the school. So what would you, for crowd मैंने भीड़, बहुत सारी भीड़, बहुत सारे लोगों की भीड़. So what would you like to write here? What is the appropriate word for crowd? Little, lazy, no. Honest, no. Delicious, no. Clever, no. Large crowd. Big crowd, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग. Large crowd gathered near the school. Seema is very little. No, cannot be very little. Okay, very lazy. Lazy is the appropriate word. Seema is very lazy. And next is the dash boy ran quickly. The dash boy ran quickly. Now, red is done, large is done, lazy is done, heavy is done, honest, delicious and clever. ये नहीं हुआ है. So what will you write? The dash boy ran. Clever boy ran quickly. Okay. My mother cooks dash food. This is very clear. You can write delicious food here. Okay. The fox is a the fox is a clever animal. Here clever word will come. Sorry children. The fox is a clever animal. Fox is always clever. You would have heard many stories about fox, na? So clever you use here. And dash boy ran quickly. Little boy ran quickly. Okay. Small little boy ran quickly. The woman carries. Do not learn children all these words. Just understand and then write. ओके याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमको अपना माइंड यूज़ करके वी हैव टू राइट द करेक्ट एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड एट द प्लेस. द वुमेन कैरीज अ फर्स्ट यू रीड ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. ओके रेड, large means very big, lazy, dull, little, small, heavy, clever, honest, ईमानदार, delicious, tasty. So clever, heavy, all these meaning you know very well. So now read the sentence. The woman carries a heavy bucket. The plant has red flowers. A large crowd gathered near the school. Seema is very lazy. The dash boy ran quickly. Little boy ran quickly. If we will write clever here, then we will miss here. Clever is appropriate here. So we have to read the words and read the sentence, all the sentences first. Then we have to write the appropriate adjective. My mother cooks delicious food. The fox is a clever animal. So do this exercise number 2, exercise number 1, and we will meet in the next English class. Okay children, and we will do more practice at the time of revision. Okay, bye bye.